Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to feather a circle in Photoshop step by step. Feathering a circle in Photoshop means softening the edges of a circular selection so it blends smoothly with the background. This technique is commonly used for photo blending, spotlight effect and smooth image transitions. Let's get started. First of all, open your image. I already opened to this image, then use selection, right click elliptical marquee tool, then hold shift, hold shift, move anywhere, then refine it or go to select tab, modify feather, use feather box 30 pixels or 14 pixels, or the best way refine its feather. Layer mask. That's it. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.